occasionally have to fiddle around with it. Okay, we're dropping glue down. It ooze down in there. Don't know where it's going, but it's going down in there. Oh, there's a, ouch. There's a gap. Get down there. Okay. Let's see how we do here. There we go. As they say, put it together, take it apart. Put it together, take it apart. Put it together, back and forth, back and forth, until it gets tacky. And it should stick better that way. It's like a contact cement. That hopefully is happening deep down inside where the other glue, oh, we got some of the glue coming up here. Okay, that could be a good thing, I guess. I know that's getting through there. Anyway, I'm sure anybody that happens across my silly little flying solo channel, if that's what it turns out to be, has been around the flying channels, RC channels, over and over again, and seen a lot more people. And Brian Phillips, he does good videos. They can be long, but the guy covers a whole lot of stuff. He really gets into it, and his wife camera crew really do a great job. Does a really great job following what goes on. And well, that's what that says. Ah, I see. So there's that little lump across there. It's a reinforcement tube where the little connector pin goes through the plastic. That recess goes right in there. Just realized that. I thought that was dented from the crash, but it's not. It's from that thing. What belongs in there? So the excess glue off of here. Anyway, I've seen a remark or two by people saying that Brian's, I don't know, something strange. They don't particularly care for the way he does the reviews or videos, whatever. But the guy's very informative. Occasionally he makes a mistake, and he'll admit to it, and or agree when it's brought up to him. But hey, you know, so many things that can be said or done or whatever that, hey, everybody makes mistakes. Me especially. I'm somewhat of a perfectionist in certain things, or a detailist. Details, even though I may not be very detailed in the work I do, I always notice things more so on other people's stuff. If they may have overlooked something, I may try to mention it, that they can see if they agree. Anyway, needs more glue. And just give it time to settle it. Maybe just a little bit more. Who knows? Anyway, if anything, for people that are especially new, he's got some good videos because he gets into detail about a lot of the repairs, fix-its, or ways of doing these planes. He's an excellent flyer too, and it's comical to watch him, and he occasionally will fail in a flight. Not fail, but have, might be a good time to put this in too. He's not afraid to show his mistakes. And I think these things go in here not too well around it. We'll go on that. Seatbelts. So, even though some of the videos are rather long, it's for a reason. He's trying to show you all the ins and outs or possibilities of working on that plane, or planes that he's working on for you. And now he's also, as of today I heard on his channel, he's preparing to put in a larger runway on his property. Because at this moment, up to this moment, or until it's done, he's got his driveway, which he evidently designed during the build to have it be a runway as well. It's a nice driveway, nice runway. Could be bigger. That's why he's building a bigger one eventually. And interesting stuff. I think we're going to have to just stand this on its nose and park it until the glue sets up. I'll glue this other side in later. But until then, maybe a rubber band around there. What do you think? This way over there. Right there. Let's see. Point. I think that's working. Because I don't know if those holes are going to line up after the fact. We'll see. Looks like it might. Looks like it might. Cabin area looks a little tweaked. We'll see. Hey, I think that's about all I can do right now until the glue sets up. And that seems to be. Why doesn't that motor look like it's bent to the right? It's supposed to be to the right. Well. Still stable. Alright. So I'll probably finish up here until the glue sets up. And I attempt to make another video about it. So, until then, sometime in the future, this will be Charlie out from flying solo, the 14th repair after the 47th, whatever you read it. Okay, have a good one, folks. Talk to you later, maybe, or hope you do, or whatever. Have a good one. Charlie out.